wartime. Besides, we're using Boken to avoid injuries.
I only duel with a clear purpose.
You want a purpose? We offer generous rewards, as long as you win. If you are interested, the contenders are waiting at the ring.
I suppose I could use some sparring practice.
In honor of your fine katana, we will call you Okto. Some advice? Each combatant has a unique style with distinct strengths and weaknesses. Challenge a contender. Don't keep the people waiting. In conflict, we find peace.
Strange to meet a monk at a dueling ring.
It is part of my journey. Raiders attacked my monastery. I ended their lives with nothing but my alms bowl.
You broke your vow of non-violence.
Yes, but I glimpsed enlightenment. Duel with me, so I can seek it again.
The Bokto challenges one.
It is an honor.
And now it's time. Introducing first, Bokto and his opponent, the exiled monk. 1 kicks and punches are allowed. First to 5 touches wins. Begin! Ring! Step back. Point for 1. Proceed! Pull back. Point for Bokto. Continue. Disengage. Point for Bokto. Proceed. Ring. Step back. Point for Bokto. Resume. Disengage. Point for 1. Proceed. Ring. Step back. Point for 1. Continue. Disengage. Point for Bokto. Proceed. And the winner, Bokto.
Thank you for the journey.